4.4, question number 1. See, first question is saying we have to complete this factor tree. Okay, we have to complete this factor tree. 75 is divided in two branches. One branch is 5. One branch is 5. As we know that whatever is here, maybe x, whatever is here, that will be multiple of that will be factor of 75, and 5 is already here, so we will multiply these two and we will get this 75. So from this branch we will divide the root. What is that? 5 1 5. Okay, 15 will be here and 5 is here. 15 5 just 75. Okay, so this one is your branch of 75. After that this branch will be divided in two. One is 3, so what will be here? 1 is 3, what will be here? Tell me your answer. Okay, so this one is 15 and this here is 15 is divided in two branches. One is 3 and one will be 5. 3 will be multiplied with 5, then you will get 15. 15 and 5 will be multiplied, then you will get 75. Now it is a complete factor tree. Okay, now in the second question, see 90 is divided in two branches. One is 15 and second one will be, yes, right, 6. And after that 15 is further divided in two branches. So what will be that? 5 into 3. We have to find out those two numbers which have the multiplication result is 15. That is 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. Okay. After that 6 will be divided in two branches, so we have to find out those two set of number which have the multiplication result is 6. Okay, 3 into 2. Now we will move to the second question. Find the common factors. I will tell you one part and rest of the part you will do by yourself. If you have any problem, then let me know. Common factors of 36 and 48. So first of all we have to find out factors of 36. Okay, this is the second question. Factors of 36. As we know that 1 is the factor of 36, 2 is the factor of 36. See, you know the method how to find out the factor, so you will follow that one also. So first of all, we will do the factor of 36 to 18, again to 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. 3 is 9, 3 1. So it has the factor of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, and the second digit is 48. So we will do the factor of 48 to 24 to 12 to 6 to 3 3 1. So it has the factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is the factor of 36, and this one is the factor of 48. Now we have to find out the common factors. So 2, again 2, again. Okay. So we have circle 2. After that this 3 and this 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3. This is the common factor of 36 and 48. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Common multiples. See, common multiples. Question number 3, common multiples. 10 and 15. So multiple of 10. multiple of 10 and multiple of 15. So 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. And after that 15. Okay, so see, we are seeing 30 is here, 60 is here, 90 will be there. Okay, so common multiples are 30, 60 and 90 and so on. Okay, so this will be your answer. Common multiple 30, 60 and 90. Okay, after that we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, write all number less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. See, first of all we will do multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So 3 multiple 3, 6, 9, 12. After that, multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. See, question is saying here is the condition less than 100. So we will move towards 100, but we will be inside that 100. Okay, we have to choose those numbers which are less than 100. So 4. And so on, you will do. Okay, there is 30. Okay, and so on. So we have to find out the common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, so we will see 3 is not present, 6 is not present, 9 is not present, but 12 is there. After that 15 is not present, 18 is not present, 21 no, 24 we have 24 in the 4. Okay, after that 27, 30 we have 30 no, we don't have 30. 33, 36 we have 36. After that 39, 42, 45, but we have 48. Okay, so likewise you have to circle each and every multiple, common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay, so rest of this is not a complete question, you will do rest of the multiples. Okay, after that question number 5. After that question number 5. So I will tell you the prime factorization of 4410. 4410. Listen, here you will get the advantage of divisibility. So first of all, we have to observe that This one is divisible by minimum prime number, that is 2. Okay, so it will become 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 0, 2 5 10. After that again, see what is the divisibility condition for 2? Once digit will must be even, but it is not even, so we will move to the 3. What is the divisibility condition for 3? Sum of the all digit 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 5 to 7, 7 to 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this whole number is divisible by 3. So 3, 7, 21, 3, 3, 9, 3, 5, 15. Again we will check for 3, 7, 3, 10, 5, 15. 3 to 6, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15. Again 4 to 6, 6 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so this whole number will be divisible by 3. 4 to 6, 6, 5, 11. Okay, so 11 is not divisible by 3, so we will move to the next prime number, that is 5. 5, 4, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 9 ja 45. Now 5 will not divide this 49, so we will move to the next prime number, that is 7. 7 7 ja 49, 7 1. So here is the prime factorization of 4 4 1 0, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this one is the prime factorization of 4 4 1 0, 2 3 3 5 7 7. Okay, so rest of the question we will discuss in our next video. So keep watching and do not forget to subscribe the channel if you have